Vilom Pranayam. Sit in any comfortable position like Padmasana, Siddhasana or Virasana. Keep the back erect. Lower the head to the trunk so that the chin rests in the notch between the collarbones on top of the breastbone. This is Jalandhara Bandha. Keep the hands in Janana Mudra. Now inhale for 2 seconds. Then pause for 2 seconds, holding the breath. Again inhale for 2 seconds and then again pause for 2 seconds, holding the breath, and continue like this until the lungs are completely full. Now hold the breath for 5 to 10 seconds according to your capacity, practicing Mula Bandha. Mula Bandha is the region between the anus and sectum. Mula Bandha should always be attempted first in Anantara Kumbhaka. Now exhale slowly, deeply and steadily until the lungs are completely empty. As you begin to exhale, keep your grip on the abdomen. During exhalation, relax in Mula Bandha. This completes one cycle of the first stage of Vilom Pranayam. Repeat 10 to 15 cycles of the first stage at a stretch. Viloma Pranayam in the first stage helps those suffering from low blood pressure. Those suffering from heart complaints should not attempt it until they have mastered the Nadi Sodhana and Ujjayi Pranayam. Relax. Lie down in Shavasana and rest for a minute or two and get ready for the stage 2. Stage 2. Sit in Padmasana. Keep the back erect. Lower the head to the trunk so that the chin rests in the notch between the collarbones on top of the breastbone. Keep the hands in Janana Mudra. Now take a deep breath without any pause, as in Ujjayi Pranayam, with a sibilant sound of S. Keeping the chin on the top of the breastbone, fill the lungs completely. Now hold the breath for 5 to 10 seconds, maintaining Mula Bandha. Exhale for 2 seconds and pause for 2 seconds. Again exhale for 2 seconds and pause for 2 seconds. And continue this cycle until the lungs are completely empty. This completes one cycle of the second stage of Viloma Pranayam. Repeat the second stage for 10 to 15 times at a stretch. In the second stage, it benefits person suffering from high blood pressure. The second stage of Viloma Pranayam should only be done when lying down by persons suffering from high blood pressure. Also, do not dream of attempting to practice it on your own without the personal supervision of an experienced guru or teacher. Relax. Lie down in Shavasana.